Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a story in the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here, as it opens up, here we have our chats. Now in the bottom right corner, we have a little camera icon. And if we tap on this, then here we have the camera, and here we have the video option, so we can just take a photo and post it to the story, or we can take a video and then post that to the story. Or in the left side of the screen we have this little button, and if we tap this, we can access our gallery and post some pictures from there. And we can also turn the camera so it's facing the other way, and then take a picture with that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.